Parrots are fascinating creatures known for their vibrant plumage, intelligence, and ability to mimic human speech. One remarkable fact about parrots is that they have a specialized bone in their tongue called the hyoid bone, which helps them articulate sounds and mimic speech with remarkable accuracy. This unique adaptation allows them to imitate various sounds they hear in their environment, including human speech, making them one of the few animals capable of such vocal mimicry.
And complex social behaviors. They belong to the Psittacidae family, which includes over 393 species. Parrots are found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, and their diet primarily consists of fruits, nuts, seeds, and okium.